One time me look for Rose, Rose need help. No, never help Rose, no, never help expert them. No, them that's some special.
Doubt or disappointment or iniquity spell that form against our children and our brothers and sisters in our low places. Go before us at this moment, King Emmanuel, do for us what we can't do for ourselves. Remove all burdens, remove all pain, remove all shackles, remove all chain. Set our brothers and sisters free at this time. Oh, Most High King Selassie, Jah, Rastafari. Give thanks to the rising of the sun and to the
People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Bless everyone, greetings all of my viewers and subscribers, my kings and queens. My lioness, I hope all is blessed and as usual. I hope this visual finds you all in the best of health. You know, health over wealth, and your health is your wealth, so take care of it. You don't know a lion foot. With another one, another reasoning, see? Yeah, so my viewers and subscribers, I hope all is well. You know, anyone that big up on yourself, stay firm and strong in the mind, and hold up a blessing in abundance. Zine, if you haven't subscribed yet, or click the bell, please consider doing so. With you, I would like to grow. You know what I mean? Yeah, man, the support is highly appreciated. And all of the silent watchers and listeners, big up on yourself. You see me? Hold up a love, man. Blessings. See? Yeah. You know, we keep it real on the back of field. You see me? Now, my viewers and subscribers, we have Pretty Dan talk on a topic yesterday, and when I saw it, I was very, very, impressed. Because, Pretty Dan, more than she go out with her thing. And free style. You see me? So big up Pretty Dan. Look at Facebook era, World Dog, a film style. Everybody have them style. You see me? And it's good when I can be yourself. What me going to hear Pretty Dan I talk about, and then me give my local 2 cents, 2 pence on it, see? After the break.
Yes, man. You see it there, my Black Bongo. Who know me. I will go check it, yeah? Gambia, Senegal, me a go dede, Lion Food Show. Big up all the man. Jamais la culture ne tombera jamais. Jamais la culture ne va tomber. Jamais la culture ne tombera jamais. Jamais la culture ne va tomber. Au niveau culturel, spirituel, au niveau matériel, l'Afrique a son potentiel. Big up all massive, yeah? Bless up. Big up, Lion Food TV show. You see? Black Bongos, yeah? One love, man.
Yes, my viewers and subscribers, welcome back. No long talking. You're Pretty Dan I say right now. You're Pretty Dan I say.
Got trouble somebody with special needs and I make them do fuckery. That's a one amount of fuckery. You see me I deal with? Yeah, man. Them there people want to take care of my G. Yes, I tell me I deal with, but you see them two you want me about to deal with this morning. You see them two you want me about to deal with for a morning a month. Them a carry on, but yeah. And I don't want nobody trouble them. Because I'm not going to make them behave like that. Nobody cannot take my little brother and deal with my little brother them way. They feel like you can make my little brother a fucking and a little barn and them little thing there. True, him have done, see them, I feel like you can trouble him. No. Him a go grow up to a point where him a go big like Rose them so and thing, And you nah go, yo, pussy. I shove my knife, one out dog. That's what I beg God, Make me live long. Not even live long for suck pussy, but me have a little brother who I have to take care of. Because you see, one people, a whole heap of time, I see one take them people here for one amount of blood clot joke and I fuck with the people them pitney in a daddy. Them born already. Then you think so we can blood clot? We can't all we know so we can't do. I take them people here and do the things them I so not do to them. Because it's not right, bad man. It not right. For the phone no bumbleclad family. For the phone no cuss them. For a fear brother, for a fear sister. When not deal with them people, you not call them idiot and rare. Them are not idiot, bad man. The people are born away, bad man. You can't even say them fucked up, bad man. Them born or them born, bad man. You feel them, look how me born. Me probably not born fucked up and I walk rare, but guess what again? Me born, you see me I deal with question nibble dung boy, I say to me I deal with difference once more. You see me? I want for people that want to exploit me if me that one of the, you see me, I deal with one them whenever have a nerve spine well up there. You see me, I deal with me G. Them they look at something they want to do and think say it funny. But yeah man, set them on, make them fuck man. Make them fuck. Make them fuck. Nah, them they say nah fuckery. And them they say no to find entertaining, them they say no entertaining. Expert and you know go marry the people them still dirty, moldy and frozy and nah beard. Broke like dog. You see me I deal with all of them look a thing now, you know just take it for one joke because them is a joke. Them is a joke, so I go set them on. Because Jamaican people not deal with, they don't know nothing about special needs people. When you say special needs people, you take them for joke and deal with them like shit. Lock them back a bum buck like this and rare. One time me look for Rose need help. No, one never help Rose. No, one never help expert them. No, them there's some special needs people who need help. Them need help. I want to never help. I want to take them for joke. Oh, them there. See them a kiss there. Mama ugly. And them thing they want to like take advantage of ugly retarded people. Look at mackerel. Visually impaired. All invalid. Everybody bum buckler no. But we want to find them thing they funny. All of that funny food. Kiki. Blood clot special needs. Kiki. Yeah man. See special needs a fuck there. See special needs a do. Yo. We not a joke bad man. Nothing what Rose do for me never funny yet. I have never find one thing where blood clot Rose do funny. Because none ain't no funny. All of that do not take advantage of this blood clot woman here. We don't call them retarded, they call them special needs. They not take advantage of them special needs pitney. Advantage you not take of them, you know. Oh, guy funny. Whereas glad. What you look. It too retarded people, them a kiss up, them a fuck. They say them a get married. Jesus Christ. Look how that one they ugly. Jesus Christ. No, it never funny. Me never see one blood clot joke of them to people like me yet. Ever. Come in and laugh off of people, bad man. Me not laugh off of paper, yo. So when time me hear people say, yo, that funny. No, me look now, me see this special needs woman. They in a one that look like a one shop back. It look like a one gamble. Oh, you see you, we video it, you're disgusting, you turn stomach. You, we record that. Oh, she a wine and a carry on pan the dirty ras. Mama too, oh, you a wine pan that the cocky there, you not feel nothing. You look like you not feel your belly empty.
But my viewers and subscribers, you see what I go on. Yeah, man, big up Pretty Dan once more because what she talk about is this two-person zine in Jamaica. We see people always a video. Me see the video them has been sending around, you know, and on Instagram, Facebook, you know what I mean. And when I see it, me I say, John Star. To be honest, I was very upset. Yeah, I was very upset and aggrieved, you know, because I say any little thing for go viral. Some people have used the phone and a video. Zine, it's like them now, everybody just want a viral. I sing it in one of my songs, you know, State of Emergency. Zine, people drop on the ground. People get gunned down or lit down or, you know. And before people could get around, before them offer help, before them offer any help, them a video up on phone. Zine. So these two people now look like they're mentally disturbed, you know, or you know, they have some problem. And they might just need help, you know. They might just need help. But before people try to intervene and offer any help or, you know, raise any concern or bring them somewhere to get checked up or show some sympathy or some remorse. Zine, them rather use them phone and video. And that means say your own friend will set you up just to get a viral out of you. Because everybody wants to get a viral. And me first video it. Yeah, me video it, you know, me send it out. You see me? Now them have these two people in the road. claim that they're having sex. So when I see the video, I say, Judge, I know. I look at Jamaica, this is gone too, you know. I mean, every day things happen in Jamaica. You say Jamaica is normal. It's not a normal place. The people in Jamaica are very creative and very inventive and smart. But only if we use our minds the right way and our sense, and you know. Yeah, Jamaica are very gifted. But nowadays, me tell you, say new generation, new things, and them new generation are got them no think they must do them thing, and you have the older generation, the bigger one them, a follow because they want to get a viral too. Them feel like they might get left out. See, so reggae music gone. So that's how some of the artists them are supposed to live, set the trend, continue, set the trend and send out the message to uplift people. Them start trying to go viral too. And them done rich already. You see my viewers and subscribers. Yeah, so the main topic of this, me just want to big up Pretty Dan. Me like the topic where she raised and the topic where she touched. She said she wasn't in no joke thing because the people them video them two people there. Shame on them, you know? Shame on them. In a public, the people them and set them on, oh, let them kiss. Watch them having sex. You see me and people say, Jah no star. Jah no, my viewers and subscribers. I know when I see the video too, you know. Someone who may not see it, but I'm not going to put it on my channel, you see me? Yeah, there's certain levels, you know? So they just want to raise a topic that I just want to big up Pretty Dan, you know, and you know, I'm Eric Lionfoot. We're not segregation, we're not differentiate. You know what I mean? We just speak with mind and keep the thing real and uplifted, you know? Uplift people and the minds, because enough people out there sick, you know? Enough people out there ill at Jamaica need help, you know? Enough artists, you know? Enough artists out there mad over the music, you know? Enough artists out there depressed. Enough people depressed because of poverty. When I was depressed, I never know say I was depressed. And when my ears start drop out, see me? My ears start drop out, you know, so peel out. My viewers and subscribers, and I start fret. A doctor, I go and doctor say I'm depressed. I did really depressed. I was depressed. And I'm still hard. It comes and it goes. You know, my ears still a drop out. Someone all around us a drop out style. But I can't help myself to stop thinking, and I'm not, you know, I'm not hungry. Give God praises. I'm in a job. You know what I mean? More time I worry from the two youth of America, you know? Come on and see them, and I can't get to see them because, you know, the traveling thing right now, and, you know, I feel like I don't want to do it for them more. You see me? Big up my twin them. You see my viewers and subscribers. Big up my mother in Jamaica. I don't feel for talk. Sometimes I'm down, thinking. My mind is all over the place I run, so, I don't know, music make me stress. Sometimes I get frustrated by the music, but other music make me stress. You see me? It's just life. No one is perfect in life. It's just how you deal with your life situation at the time. You see me? Enough people can't manage, enough people go commit suicide. Yeah, so I don't know my viewers and subscribers. Big up on yourself. See? Yeah, man, I hold you for love. And please like, comment, subscribe. And click the bell. And share. Make someone else watch and hear or go on. You see me? Yeah, man. Don't forget to click the bell, you know, because when you click the bell, you get all the contents when I drop them. And YouTube, when I like it, YouTube will share it more to people who in need of this message. Once again, big up everyone. Hold up love. Pretty Dan, big up yourself. Peace and love. My fellow Jamaicans, and live good, live clean, live honest. Yeah, man. Health over wealth.
That one a name reasoning. It's good when you and your friend will are reasoning. You can diffuse the feud by reasoning. Start out to no defense by reasoning.
Yeah, man, I eat that. Thanks for watching. Thanks for passing by. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell before you leave. Please and thank you.